This contract is your life. These two functions represent all the important part of your life: family, emotions, friend, husband, wife, daughter, colleagues, financial and emotional stage of your life. Then you might be wondering that how these functions are related to our life and what exactly they are doing. So to answer this question, we have to understand the nature of this contract, that what this contract is and how it's going to affect this contract in the real world. So whatever you're going to define into this contract, you have to be very precise, because this contract contains money and both these functions doing exactly the same thing. If you call this function, it will print hello world, and if you call this function, it will print hello world. But there is a catch. One function is painful both for the developer and both for the user. So in the same way, we also have two options in our life to pick from, whether we want to take the good life, whether we want to take a hard life. So we always have these two options. It depends on you that which one you want to take. So if I call this function, you can see I'm paying this much amount, it's too much. But if I'm calling this function, I'm paying very less, and that's the relief. So we always have choice in our life. It depends on us that how we want to build our contract of our life and what type of function we want to include in our life in terms of emotion, in terms of relation.